Agile quality management. Perhaps let's start with the definition of quality. There are many definitions of quality. In fact, quality assurance is a huge field, and it would be impossible to cover it in a few lectures. If you would like to learn more about quality, visit our website at hksmnow.com and check out our Six Sigma courses. Quality is a conformance to customer requirements or customer expectations. Quality is fitness for use. Quality is predictability. Quality has two perspectives. From the customer's point of view, quality is the fitness for purpose, complies with their requirements, and adds value at the best cost. The supplier has a different quality definition, reducing the cost of quality, increasing market share, and maximizing their return on investment. For the purpose of this course, let's stipulate that quality means that the product meets specification and customer requirements. Good quality product leads to happy customers and users of the product. Poor quality results in a loss of time, rework, and a loss of money and a loss of customer. It is necessary to have a quality plan, and it is important to include developers in the planning. Typically, developers are testing the code or writing unit tests and helping with the debugging. It is also recommended to involve customers and the product owner to help define the acceptance criteria. One of the guiding principles of Scrum is to develop the functionality of the highest priority to the customer first. Less important features are developed in subsequent sprints or can be left out altogether according to the customer's requirements. This approach gives the Scrum team the required time to focus on the quality of essential functionality. A key benefit to quality planning is the reduction of technical debt. Agile framework introduces a concept of technical debt. It is also known as tech debt or code debt, and it means that when a team takes action to expedite the delivery of functionality of the product, they leave things like refactoring, testing, and optimization out of the picture. Technical debt is a phrase originally coined by a software developer, Ward Cunningham, who, in addition to being one of the 17 authors of the Agile Manifesto, is also credited with inventing the wiki. Here are the 4 common costs associated with technical debt in Agile development. Low code quality. If the developers rush to meet a deadline, they may do so at the expense of clean, well-organized code. Poor design and coding practices might finish the project on time, but they create long-term trouble. Reduced forward motion. As technical debt accumulates, the amount of work needed to keep the project going grows proportionally. Whether it's because of the code complexity or testing or other issues, it adds time to the project that could have been fixed in an earlier stage. As a result, your developers will spend time addressing these problems rather than delivering the work with business value. Increased defects. Defects are a common consequence of technical debt. These defects affect the customer experience and raise the product's maintenance costs throughout its lifetime. Negative team morale. As a technical debt accumulates, it becomes more challenging to comprehend the present system state and the amount of work needed to add new functionality. Technical debt can lower your team's productivity considerably. As work grinds to a halt, the team's morale will undoubtedly dip as they spend their time fixing preventable problems, hopefully without creating new ones. So, technical debt is bad, and there's several ways to reduce or eliminate technical debt. Automated testing is a way of eliminating the largely inefficient manual testing. One of the most successful ways to reduce or eliminate technical debt is automated testing. Automated testing reduces code problems because of the automated debugging cycles and other processes that scan the code for problems every time a module is updated. You can eliminate some of your technical debt through your project structure. Project management tools can help teams track development statuses and keep on schedule. Organizations can also establish code best practices. When your developers adhere to the coding standards and best practices, it helps reduce the technical debt considerably. Refactoring source code. It's another way to deal with technical debt. You can take advantage of refactoring to alter the source code's internal quality without changing the external behavior. Selecting a scalable, flexible architecture is a primary way to avoid refactoring. Teams should identify an architecture that is secure, scalable, and flexible. Architecture debts are costly, not just in technical debt, but also in real dollars. Examine new technologies and architectures for your platform that offers a seamless integration and feature additions. Quality control refers to the execution of planned quality activities by the Scrum team in the process of creating deliverables that are potentially shippable. It also includes learning from each set of completed activities in order to achieve continuous improvement. Quality is required not only in products, but also in processes. Quality assurance refers to the evaluation of processes and standards.